Recently, a growing number of people have been talking about a simple wellness habit called the pink gelatin trick. What makes it interesting is that it doesn't involve extreme dieting, expensive programs, or complicated meal plans. The pink gelatin trick is typically described as drinking a prepared gelatin beverage shortly before a meal. According to people who follow this routine, it may help them feel more satisfied when eating and become more mindful of their portion sizes. Some health discussions suggest that gelatin's ability to absorb liquid could play a role in promoting a temporary feeling of fullness. Of course, the pink gelatin trick is not presented as a miracle solution, but rather as a small addition to a healthy lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition and regular physical activity. Because it's affordable, easy to prepare, and fits into most daily routines, more people are becoming curious about the pink gelatin trick. If you want to learn how others are using it, take a look at the first comment below.